In this video, I'm going to show you the differences between the Incoming app by SalesVu and Fresh KDS. Incoming is a completely free order manager and a kitchen display system that integrates with Square. Any orders created on the Square point of sale go directly to the incoming kitchen display for the staff to prepare or handle. The order can be expanded and marked with different statuses based on the progress stage it is in. The screen can be filtered based on these statuses, which means that incoming can be used not only in the kitchen, but also by other staff that can filter the status that applies to them. For example, the kitchen receives an order from the Square point of sale and can mark the order as in process when the order is being prepared. Then they can mark it ready when the order is finished. The ready orders are filtered and shown at the waitstaff or delivery station, where the order can be picked up by the appropriate staff. Next, the order can be marked as in transit when the order is on its way to the customer, and finally delivered when it's been delivered to the customer's house or table.
Incoming also fully integrates with the restaurant's own branded iPhone or Android mobile ordering app, which is also provided by SalesVu at no cost along with the Incoming app. So if the customer places an order via the branded app, they can see the status of their order change live in the app, as you can see in the order progress status bar at the bottom of the screen here. If the customer hasn't downloaded the restaurant's app, they can still be notified by text when their order becomes ready. Fresh KDS does not have this functionality.
If absolutely necessary, the order can be printed directly from the Incoming app for the delivery drivers, for example. Also, if the restaurant needs different types of products shown at different kitchen displays, they can upgrade to a paid version and direct different types of products to different screens in their kitchen. Fresh KDS does not have this functionality. Fresh KDS isn't free like the Incoming app and has less functionality. Fresh KDS costs $20 a month for 2 screens, and each additional screen costs $5 a month with maximum of 10 screens per location. Incoming is free for any number of screens with no maximum number of screens. Fresh KDS doesn't have a system of tagging orders with progress statuses, which means it can only be used by the kitchen staff and no one else at the business. The lack of order progress statuses also means that it fails to provide any information about the order status to the customer. The way Fresh KDS integrates with Square point of sale is less reliable than the connection between Incoming and Square. If the connection between Fresh KDS and Square fails, there is no way for Fresh KDS to retrieve the lost order and display it. On the other hand, Incoming is able to retrieve any orders that were lost or delayed due to a connection failure, thanks to using the Square API connection, which makes it 100% stable and reliable. In summary, the Incoming app by SalesVu is free and provides more functionality and stability to Square merchants than the more expensive Fresh KDS.